Okay, so it's about 7:30 on April the 14th, 2018. It is 7:30 p.m. My due diligence with coming out here and cleaning off the steps and everything going down so that the dog can get out has paid off. There's some ice at the top because of things melting off of the roof, but that's better than having 10 feet of snow to walk through. And as you can see, things have slowed down considerably. But wow, look at the snow. I dug a little trail here. Oops. I dug a little trail here because we have a dog, a larger dog, and she has been having problems coming out here. So since we have a quiet time in the snow, I came out here and I dug her a little clearing in the yard so that she's able to have somewhere to poop. But yeah, this is basically what we have gotten for snow today since this morning, and that's a lot of freaking snow. The top of that thing is round. We've actually probably gotten like, oh, I don't know, whatever that is, actually more than that because it blows off the top of that. We've probably gotten about 14 inches. So yeah, that's what's going on. And I am so glad I came out here every hour and cleared these steps off, because otherwise the dog wouldn't go down them and they were going to get all packed in snow and it was going to make life really hard for her. So I think what we're going to have to deal with tonight is maybe some light stuff and a lot of blowing, but yep, welcome to freaking Minnesota in April. Time for some hot chocolate.